Hi everyone. Once again, a very good afternoon to you all. Zig Ziglar once said, "Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotion. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for." Respected chief guests, guests of honor, pastors, special invitees, dignitaries, elders, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. On behalf of all the freshers, I take this privilege and opportunity to share a few words of gratitude and contentment. In the first place, I would like to thank the Almighty God for giving us this beautiful and amazing day. My heartfelt gratitude to Naga Student Union Bangalore Executive for organizing such amazing and memorable program for us today. Once again, let us give them a big round of applause. Our life is like games we have in our phones. Just like these games are divided into different levels, our life too has different stages. Each level has its own difficulties, but crossing them is what makes you veteran. Like a ship, we nervously step into this new city with feelings of uncertainty what lies ahead. But within a short span of time, we feel like this is our home. This has been made possible because of the kind gesture, the friendly attitude, and the right advices of our seniors. We have no words to say except a very big thank you to all of you. We are so grateful for all the love you have shown to us. We shall continue to look forward for your love, support, and encouragement even in the days to come. Indeed, we freshers are feeling blessed, proud, and lucky to have joined this united family. I, on behalf of all the freshers, wish NSUB the very best for the journey ahead. Kuknalim.